Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use keyframe in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my design in Canva and I'm going to use keyframe to animate one of the elements here. For example, I'm going to animate this element. So first of all, I'm going to click on the element and then we can click on animate. And here we're going to select this one, create an animation. This function is like keyframe and video editor, so we can use this feature to add keyframe to animate something. Okay, and you just need to select and drag your element around the canvas to create animation, just like this. Okay, and this is the animation. Alright, you just need to draw the path, and then here you can select the movement styles. You can choose smooth, steady, or original, and then you can customize the speed as well, and then just click on done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use keyframe in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.